All right, so like I said, we're gonna start with the kettlebell work. All right, when you pick this up, gentlemen or ladies, bend your knees and pick it up off the ground with your back straight, because if you don't, you're gonna hurt yourself, even if it's 20 pounds, and then stand up straight with it, okay? There's many things you can do. One I like to do is called the kettlebell swing. I mean, that's a hinge movement, like we were talking about earlier, that helps with your hips and your joints in your hips and your legs. You're not so much using your legs as a hinge movement. So you'll start at the bottom with your knees about half bent, and then you're gonna swing up, stand up, and come down, okay? You don't wanna jerk really hard, you just wanna keep moving. Bring it up to about eye level, and then that's what you want. So, just like that, okay? Piece of cake. All right. Now, we're gonna talk about some shoulder work with this, all right? You're gonna do front narrow grip raises. And what this does, the back part of your shoulder, which barely gets any work, and this will help a lot with that, okay? So what you wanna do is grab really narrow grip and let it hang, okay? And you're gonna bring it up to your chin like so, all right? And keep your elbows wide and high, then back down. You know, since we're using lighter weight, if I was doing this as purely my sole workout for the day, I would do about 4 sets to failure, till you can't do anymore. All right. Now, the kettlebell is also good for a tricep extension. You stick it straight above your head with the kettlebell sitting on the back of your palm, okay? Then you lower it down to your shoulder and back up, okay? Just like so. Very simple, just nice, slow, controlled reps so you can get that feel in your tricep. All right? Same thing with the kettlebell with your curls. You can also do your curls with it. Nice and controlled reps. And if it's a lighter weight, you know, I would go to failure, 3 or 4 sets to failure. And you're gonna build muscle, okay? So those are just a few of the small exercises you can do with the kettlebell. You know, I showed you triceps, biceps, and then you can do a little hinge swing with that. And you can also do what they call, it's like, I think it's called a dumbbell squat or something, where you hold the kettlebell like so, and then you're just gonna squat, okay? Feet at least shoulder width apart, toes pointed out, straight down and up. And keep your back straight or it's gonna hurt later.